ألا إن أولياء الله لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون. O designer and printer of the universe, design and fashion my heart. Design me in such a way that when people see me, they truly see me as a Naqshbandi. Bestow your blessings upon my existing state. Shower me with your mercy, and look at this transgressor with your compassion, O Allah the Great. For the sake of your greatness, O Independent, grant this disobedient servant with your infinite kindness. I plead for the sake of your everlasting excellence, generosity, bounty, mercy, and forgiveness. In the treasures of your blessings there are no limits, and there are no bounds to your endless favors. In what manner can I ask for your divine mercy? And these are the means in which I plead. Graces in the name of your beloved Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the seal of the prophets, the most noble and exalted of all creation, the King of both worlds, whom is irreplaceable, the unique, the possessor and distributor of divine knowledge and revelation. Have mercy upon us for the sake of Hazrat Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, Master of Truth, the great lover who was captured in the beauty of the Prophet and gave everything for his beloved. For the sake of Hazrat Sulaiman Faris, the sincere one, and Hazrat Qasim, the supreme leader of Allah's friends, shower us with your endless forgiveness. For the sake of the faithful spiritual leader Hazrat Imam Jafar Sadiq, preserve our honor through intercession of Bayezid, Bun Hassan, and Bu Hanifa Ahmadi. On the day of resurrection, give me the companionship of Yusuf Hamdanavi, so I can cling to their holy presence. The Sufi kings, Abdul Halik, Arif Dewagiri, and the Sufi master Mahmud Aziza, who reflected the beautiful character of the beloved Prophet. The Honorable Baba Samasi, and the excellent Hazrat Amir Kalal, the master of complete purity, and the one with the perfected and enlightened soul, the chief of assembly of the Naqshbandi order, the possessor of the divine secrets and the benefactor of the nation. Their first step is every master's last, the excellent Bahauddin, the distributor, the courageous, the commendable. O Lord, for the sake of Khwaja Alauddin, may this humble servant remain steadfast on the religion of Ahmad. Place me under the protection of Hazrat Yaqub Cherki, Ubaidullah Shah, and Hazrat Muhammad Zahid. O Allah, for the sake of these holy men, cleanse the soul of this disobedient servant from the marks of sin. Forgive me, O Lord, for the sake of Khwaja Darwish, Khwaja Amkanangi, and Khwaja Baqi Billah. O Lord, I beseech you for the sake of the great Master, the mediator you have never refused. They are the beloved of your beloved, and deeply in love in the access passion of Ahmad. They are mortal and perpetual, the permanent pole of truth, the great leader of the nation. Forgive us for the sake of Sheikh Ahmad, the reviver of the millennia. Bestow your forgiveness upon our faults for the sake of the reviver of the religion, the everlasting strength in the city of Sirhind, and the one who is the son amongst the mystics, the successors of Naqshbandi order, Hazrat Hujjatullah, Hazrat Zubair, Hazrat Khwaja Ashraf, and Hazrat Jamalullah, the men of goodness and piety, Hazrat Isa Muhammad Faizullah Shah, Hazrat Noor Muhammad, and Hazrat Fakir Badshah, His Eminence the Honorable Hafiz Ji Abdul Kareem, the bearer of the laws of Islam, and the man with the great character, familiar with the secrets of the truth, the oneness of Allah, La ilaha, the knower of the path of reality, and the one who provides sanctuary for the mystics. The mercy of Allah has invited him into his dominion, ascending to the highest station in heaven. O Allah, have mercy for the sake of the great master of the beautiful religion of Islam, the one blessed with the spiritual insight, Hazrat Khwaja Sufi Nawabuddin, whose chest is enriched with the unification of Allah's treasures, whose pure heart reflects the beauty of Mount Sinai, whose forehead is the interpretation of the Book of Allah, and reflected the embodiment of Hazrat Imam Hussein. O Allah, have mercy upon me for the sake of the Master who tread the path of salvation, Hazrat Khwaja Sufi Muhammad As-Salam. Beloved of Allah, their chest is overflowing in the love of the Holy Prophet, their heart is illuminated and their face is radiant. Oh, what a beautiful sight! This truth is apparent all over the world. His blessings are continuing to illuminate Asia and Europe more and more. Oh Allah, spare me. Have mercy upon me for the sake of the crown bearer of Salihal, the lover of the Holy Prophet, the one in whom the truth is manifest, Hazrat Khwaja Sufi Muhammad Arshad. Be the love of the masters of the Naqshbandi order, raise us on the day of resurrection with these saints. For the sake of these pious men, grant this humble servant success in both worlds, and sustain us everywhere, everyone's dignity in religious and worldly affairs. O Allah, accept our heartfelt supplication with happiness when we depart from this worldly ages in your remembrance. Allah, 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 Allah